if you really think about it, ultimately you will reach the question na ano ba talaga ang role ng People's Co-op?
So, People's Co-op today are focused, no? We are focused on SME, entrepreneurial development. We are now inviting existing micro-entrepreneurs to join People's Co-op so we can help them assist their business.
Based on our experiences, nakikita namin na ang People's Co-op actually is a facilitator. It's a facilitator kung saan ang resources. It's a facilitator of human relationship.
Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative, previously known as People's Co-op, started December 21, year 1972, with 26 members and recently 33,000 members.
Ano ba ang impact natin doon sa community? So we want to build an image of People's Co-op na we are not a lending company. We are trying to explain to them that cooperative is different from a lending company. Kasi ang co-op, we develop products and services tailored fit to the need of the members. So yun ang kaibahan ng lending company at saka kooperatiba. Dahil ang negosyo natin ay paano maging successful ang ating membro sa kooperatiba.
People's Co-op connects with other cooperatives.
Paano natin sila matutulungan yung pangangailangan nila. So ang pangangailangan nila, yun ang business ng kooperatiba. Paano natin i-uplift, i-address yung pangangailangan ng isang member.
So we made this as a basis for helping them.
And we want to build also an image that we are not dependent on assistance from the government, that among ourselves we can build a business by helping our own members in the cooperative. So, pang sustainability at saka yung viability ng institution o cooperative is a good business, especially if people are helping each other.
We try to reflect on this. What we are doing, People's Co-op, is really making a new culture. People's Co-op is transmitting the cooperative culture, the culture of cooperation. It's a very important na tayo, those who are interested, who have heard this, siguro we can ask ourselves, how can we involve ourselves? How can we involve ourselves?
Developing and realizing entrepreneurial aspiration of our members is our business. So we have the ASAP program, it's the Angkat sa Puhunan or ASAP program. We have the Jeepney Financing Program or Taxi Financing Program. We also have the My Store Financing Program. And we have the SME Financing Program. SME Financing Program is a program that we offer to existing entrepreneurs who need credit line from revolving fund that they can use in their business. So, we also have a farm financing program for the farmers and the fisher folks. We also have the traditional loan program that is available to our existing members like regular loan, educational loan, hospitalization loan, and others.
Dako yung pasalamat sa People's Co-op tungod sa ilang hatag na mong kay gayunan nga ako parehan ako sa ka-driver makapanagi ako og sakyanan. Mao na ron nga tungod sa ilang tabang namo murag himugaway na nga among panginabuhi kay nanan mi pang kaugalingon nga panginabuhi para sa akong pamilya. Mo pasalamat tingod ako sa People's Co-op.
Our objectives to provide high return of investment for the members, to expand and consolidate our market presence in the Visayas and identified strategic areas in the country, to develop competitive financial and related services that will motivate members to save and build successful entrepreneurs, to adopt appropriate technologies in continuous learning for enhanced competency to leaders and employees to better serve the members, to strengthen the social services and livelihood projects for community growth and development and advocacy for ecology, gender equality, and cooperativism.
Sa una, nag-drive ako sa inuan niya jeep, nangabang ko. Na santong sa kong una-una ba, saon ka na ko pag wano nga, wasinso sa kong gamay. Kaya murag, sige kong drive. Wa mo ko'y paingnan na ni, antod matiguang ko. Ilaray dagan sa panahon, nakaabil ko sa jeepney rin toon. Mato, dako kaya kong pasalamat sa People's Co-op na membro ko. Kay pinagi sa People's Co-op, ang imong pangandoy matuman.
By realizing these dreams that we call Dreams Program. This program is about helping members, assisting members for them to grow and expand their business.
Mato, nagtungkod ko, nagbitbit ra ka og basket. I don't care kung professional ba sa una. Karon, di na ko mauwaw. Na anak ko'y balay, na ko'y mga yuta tungod sa People's Co-op.
So yun ang pinaka-objective natin ng People's Co-op. Na may makikita tayong successful entrepreneur every year. So we keep on counting ilan na bang drivers na tutulungan natin. We keep on counting how many sari-sari store now wholesaler or a distributor of certain product of the company. So we develop also program. First purpose is for vacation, birthdays, if any other events, no? So that's part of we have the so-called savings aiming for venture events and dreams. We have a program on education. We have the College Education Savings Plus program. So yung pangailangan ng member ay magpapaaral ng estudyante. Gusto niya makapagpaaral ng kanyang mga anak sa kolehiyo. So we develop program para natin sila ma-assess na mapapag-aral nila yung estudyante ng mga members natin. So we have a program called Piso Piso Tigong or PPT program. So we're encouraging these people who are collecting trash and turning it into cash to save for a purpose.
But when people begin to participate in the program, begin to see, to appreciate, and begin to see the importance of programs, the poor themselves see the importance of this for themselves.
My Co-op Pharmacy, we are a little cheaper or mas mura talaga siya kumpara sa mga sa ibang mga pharmacy. Meron na kaming free clinic, free medical consultation.
We have this service nga gi-offer sa People's Co-op na members. Ang iyahang ma-avail nga mga services is sa outpatient, very exclusive sa ato ang clinic, like free ang laboratories, unlimited ang consultation, pati sa mga dependents. Kung ang usa ka People's Co-op member ma-admit sa hospital, unya IMS card holder siya, ang iya lang buhaton is sundon lang niya ang step-by-step process. Diyan niya kalimtan nga dad-uning card. O pagkahuman ana, i-present lang ni siya sa admitting department. O ang admitting department, siya na makig-coordinate sa IMS.
A housing cooperative program is basically being considered now in the cooperatives because people now are so empowered after having been granted loans for luxury items, cars, or whatever. Now they need to have some kind of a shelter, which is called a house of their own. With that, we are providing them a housing cooperative community for them to be able to own a house and lot at a very affordable price.
How do we tap? Paano ma-organize? Paano ma-invite natin yung mga middle class, yung mga tao na they're not as poor as the poorest of the poor, but they really want to help.
This is a program that we are inviting investors in the community to put up their deposits instead of putting it in the bank, putting it in the cooperative.
Invite them to invest with us, because basically the realization is I want to help the poor, and then together let us serve, together let us cooperate, let us live the cooperative principle.